Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Nice.
This Tesla is asleep,
Would you like to
literally.
reply?
Oh my god.
It says, oh my god.
Keep an eye on that red Tesla.
High LDL, cholesterol. I'm a third-year pharma student in Cincinnati, Ohio. I think that's a protein chain or something. Did Yvonne's learning background help her learn finances quicker from being in a pretty heavy field of sorting out information? I wouldn't say that. I would say Yvonne's aptitude.
Are these friends? What is going on here? Why not? If I just cut these lines, the worst thing that can happen is that only a train can be crossing through. This is probably the most aggressive U-turn I have ever seen.
Oh.
I don't know why the Tesla driver himself starts doing what the truck was doing in the first place. This Tesla driver didn't get his preferred parking spot, so decided to block the entire exit. He was probably jealous of that blue Mercedes, a blue paint that doesn't feel unlike Tesla's.
She's still there? She's making another phone call.
I didn't take her spot, did I?
She's been sitting there
There's
for a
been
good
4
10
open spots.
plus
This
minutes.
one, this one, and this
And
one
she's been
are all
causing a
open.
traffic
It's been a really
jam.
good spot for me anyway.
Well, she's causing a traffic jam. Or has been.
She's been here for 15 minutes. No, the lights are on. Windows are up. There's a dog inside.
Keep in mind, we don't even know how much longer this Tesla driver stayed there after this video ended.
This is hilarious.
Was it the Tesla's fault here? Or was it the driver speeding down the entrance?
This is the last one. This is coming from D. I'm writing to ask your opinion on the predictions coming.
One thing is though, Teslas have really good safety measures built inside the vehicle. These arrows are only a recommendation, right? This Tesla almost hit someone crossing the road.
A few moments later.
A Tesla can be seen all the way at the end of the small flood. I wonder how he got there. Who could have possibly, with their almost 4,000-pound car, hit the light pole and bend it? Looking at this, I can only imagine what a Cybertruck would do. The whole truck would probably just take the pole with it. Okay, that's enough for today. See you later, and stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.